I have a special treat on the menu today. It's hot chocolate pancakes and it's worth every bite. I'll show you why. For the fudge topping, you'll need semi-sweet chocolate chips, heavy cream, and for the pancake batter, you'll need flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, 1 large egg, buttermilk or whole milk, unsalted butter, and lastly, mini marshmallows. So we're going to start with the fudge topping first. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the semi-sweet chips and the heavy cream together and cook in the microwave until melted. Be sure to stir every 30 seconds to prevent burning. Set it aside and let's move on to the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, cocoa powder, baking powder, sugar, salt, and cinnamon. In another bowl, we're going to whisk together the wet ingredients, milk, egg, and melted butter. Then pour this into the dry ingredients and stir gently until combined. Cover and let the batter rest for a few minutes. And while that's doing so, I'm going to prepare my skillet. I'm going to cook the pancakes on medium heat and melt about a tablespoon of butter in the pan. It's basically the same as any regular pancakes. Add 1/3 cup of batter to the skillet. Cook until small bubbles appear on top with firm edges and then flip and cook 1 to 2 minutes more. What I like to do is keep the cooked pancakes warm in the oven while I finish the rest of the batter. Now it's time to top. Stack those pancakes on a plate, top with the fudge sauce and the mini marshmallows. I'm ready to dig in. These hot chocolate pancakes make a festive morning treat that your whole family will love and love you for. Enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.